Cześć! Welcome back to our channel Polish with Blondes. Today, in this third lesson of Polish basics, we'll be learning the sounds and pronunciation in the Polish language. So by the end of this lesson, hopefully you'll be able to differentiate between sounds like ji, zi, ci, si, and also learn some new vocabulary. So let's begin. A. Ananas. O. Piątek. Piątek. B. Brat. Butelka. C. Cytryna. Ciastko. You may have heard my mum talking about the word ciastko in another lesson. So you have a CI combination. Whenever you have that, you will actually not pronounce the C like C, like in the word cytryna, but you will pronounce it in a softer way, if I could say that. So the I after the C makes the C sound softer. So it goes from C to ci. Another letter combination is CZ, and we pronounce it like ch. Czwartek, cześć. So it's kind of like the pronunciation of the first sound in the word change in English. Ch. Next we have ci, which is exactly the same sound as this. So it's either ci or ci. Exactly the same, but just different spelling. For example, ćwiczenie. Ćwiczenie. And notice that in this word, ćwiczenie, because the W comes after a consonant, in this case the ch, it actually becomes an F sound. And another useful thing to know is that every single verb in an infinitive form ends with ci. For example, mieć, lubić, kochać. Another letter combination with C is CH, and this we pronounce the same as the English H, so it's just ch, like chleb. So let's go through the C sounds once again. We have c, cytryna, ć, ciastko, ć, ćwiczenie. So notice here they're exactly the same. Ch. Cześć. D. Dom. And D is another letter that with other letters forms different sounds and letter combinations. So the first one will be dz. Dz. Dzwonić. Dzwonić. So here, dz is kind of like between a D and a Z sound. If you want to say D and Z very quickly, one after another, it will kind of become this Z sound. Ds. So it's like Z. This is a sound that actually doesn't exist in the English language, so I appreciate that it might be difficult for some of you to pronounce, but don't worry, with some practice you will definitely get there. Next we have dzi. Dzień. Dzień dobry, you know from the previous lesson, which means good morning, good day. And this sound is kind of like the English J, like job or jump. Next, we have a very similar sound, dż. Dż. Dżem, dżinsy. So dzi and dż, very similar, but think of it this way. Dż is slightly stronger and sharper in a way than G, which is more softer and more like squished. I don't know how to explain it best. And dź, dźwięk, dźwięk. So notice that like we had with ci and ci, here we have the same situation where you have two different ways of spelling the exact same sound. So we have dź and also G. So now some letters that are a little bit easier to pronounce. E, etap, pięć, pięć. And with this letter, you will often see it at the end of words. And then we actually pronounce it like a normal sound. And a good example is the word dziękuję. Dziękuję. So you don't actually pronounce the L at the end. It's just normal Dziękuję. So the first L letter you do pronounce with the elongating it. And then the second one is just a normal sound. So dziękuję. F. Firma. G. Godzina. So a useful phrase using this word would be która jest godzina? Która jest godzina? H. Humor. Humor. So whether you have a CH or just an H, the pronunciation will always be H. I. Imię. And notice here, the L at the end is pronounced like E. So imię. J. Ja. Jestem. K. Kawa. Kobieta. L. Lubię. So this is a modification of the letter L, and it's just like the English W. So it's W. Like łatwy. Łatwy. M. Miasto. Miasto. N. Noc. Noc. You may remember dobranoc. Dobranoc. And here again, by adding an I to the N, we make it softer. So it's nie, like nic. Nic. Noc. Nic. Here we have the same situation where you can have two spellings of the same sound. So we have nic with the NI and also dzień with the N with the accent. O. Osoba. U. Samochód. P. Piwo. Pani. R. Rodzina. Rodzina. Ż. So here this is a totally different sound from R, but with RZ this is what happens. Ż. For example, rzecz. Rzecz. And just like with C, with DZ and with N, S has the same situation where you can have either the accent or an I after the letter, which makes the sound softer. So we have 시, cześć, cześć. So it's the 시 sound. Siostra, sz, siostra. And another combination here, sz. So notice that this sound is a little bit sharper in a way, stronger. Sz. Szkoła. Szkoła. Te. Tak. U. Ulica. W. Woda. Wakacje. And now finally the Z sounds. So first Z. Zawsze. Zawsze. And here the same thing as before, just like we had with C, with DZ, with N, and with S, the Z sound can be made softer by adding an I or an accent on top. So, źle, źle. For example, czuję się źle. And then the ZI combination, zima, zima. And finally, ż, żona, żona. Whew. So this is the Polish alphabet. So I really hope that you learned something new, that now it will be easy for you to pronounce. these letters and to use them in words. So now let me know which of these sounds you find the most difficult to pronounce. Which ones would you maybe like me to go over again to give you some more examples? Or maybe some of the sounds actually sound the same. I can make a separate video just on that letter if you would like that, so let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And finally, if you enjoyed this video or you learned something from it, hopefully you did, I would appreciate if you subscribed to our channel to be up to date with all the new lessons that will be coming out every week. Thank you again, and I hope to see you next time. Cześć!